guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today's video I thought I'll do a room tour for you guys, as I recently did some rearranging in my room and knocked out some things as I haven't had much to do during quarantine. So yeah, let's get into it. So you walk into my room and this is the first thing you see. Here's these I was given to a few years ago. This I made myself back when I did Pathfinders. Then here, I won't go into detail on my makeup collection because I already have a makeup collection tour on my channel. The only thing I've added is my eyelash curler and lashes. But on this side I have my Arbonne bag, which you can get off my Arbonne business. Link is in description. And in the moment I just have my makeup wipes stored in there. All my perfumes I've been given over the years. My cream for my scalp and dry skin on my face. Dry shampoo. This sucks out the gunk in my pores. If you guys would like to see a video of me using this and the rest of my skincare, just let me know in the comments and I'll do one. Here's my wallet and then books I've been given over the years. And the bottom drawer I won't go into because I've already shown that in my makeup collection. And I don't want to drag this tour on too long. So at the top I have all my fake nails. This was from the nail kit I got given on eBay, and then some glue. This is all my technology stuff, so cords, spare phones, DS. It's for my fan, DS games. That's wind up torch. MP3 player I got given a few years ago from my uncle. And then my wireless mouse. Here's half of my nail stuff, the rest of it is down there. That's all my nail polishes and the rest of my glitter. But yeah. And then this drawer is just random stuff, like these are bigger makeup bags I can use. My smallest ones I have wallets. This one my friend's mum got for me when she was on a cruise. Fan I used to dry my face and some other random stuff. Then here is other random stuff. These are all my jumpers / cardigans, dresses, see-through clothes, and then at the back is my leggings. Then here is some stuff for my Arbonne business, my year 12 portfolio and some other stuff. Then over here is my cork board, which I'll quickly show. This was the dance events before we had to cancel them for this year. This I was given a few years ago, I don't know why I still have it. These are all my necklaces, house keys, earrings. Stickers what came with my calendar, which you'll see in a minute. These were stickers left from my diary a few years ago. This is my age champion medal from 2017. Just says my age, 16-year-old girls age champion swimming, 2017, and then my school. Oh, almost tripped there. Then here, photos with my family, friend. That was teen camp I went to a few years ago. There was a photo I took back on the boat, ferry or boat, whatever you want to call it, when I went to Sydney when I was younger. A few other stuff. And then this is from last year, my medal for dance. Just says Seniors Shani's Dance Squad 2019, Seniors are my name. Then down here is my drawers. These are all my puzzles I've been given over the years. My sound system, this is some of it, as you saw over there, is one of my speakers because it's a surround system. Gel pen's my Bible. Then here is my drawers. I'll quickly show you guys. These are all random stuff. This is a mask I used to dress up as Katana for book week when I was back at school, some more random stuff. These here are stuff that go through my clothes, like belts. This is for my dressing gown. There's some ribbons, and then these are woolens, small little woolens, but too small to go in here. These are all my big ones. Knitting hooks and my crocheting hooks are in there. This is spare mouse. I don't know why I have that in here. And then my favourite cards I've been given over the years. Here's my bras. This is all my dance stuff. Stick-on bra, one of our leotards were open back. Toe undies, jazz shoes, tights, leotards. So yeah. I won't go into too much detail, I'm sure you know basically what's in there. This is my arts and craft. Then this is my Pathfinder stuff and adventure stuff. And then these are all my DS games. I only have 3, but one of them I lost the case for, so I have 4. Then this is my hair pieces, spare hair ties, back when this used to be a thing. Mum got me some. These 3 things here I got from dance because I had to wear hair pieces over the years. You'll see a couple more from my years of doing dance. And then the rest are just hair pieces I've been given over the years. There, headbands. Oh, there's a flower. And this my friend got for me. So, well, one of my old friends got for me. So yeah, that's area, and I'll move on to my desk. And over here is my desk. That's my power board because I can't reach the PowerPoint behind my bed, so I just have to use this one, which only has 2. Therefore, I use the power board. This is my desk, nothing too special. I don't sit at it that much, that's why it's so small. I only really use it to film and play my laptop. But these are my headphones. This is my friend's, who I got to give to, but I can't give it back because she's stuck in New South Wales till the borders open again. They're my glasses, which are normally in its case, but I was wearing them before. Then other stuff. My other speaker, so yeah. I won't go into detail of that. Unless you guys would like me to do that, just let me know in the comments. And then over here is my bed. That's a spare blanket. So if I get cold, I can have another one. And then on the side here, I just have my dressing gowns. That way it's easier. My fan, I used to have it over plugged into here, but because it's winter in Australia, because that's where I live, I don't need it anymore. Bug boots, so I can just put them on in the morning. Then this is a calendar from Typo, what came with the stickers. This and that I was given. This I made myself back when I did Pathfinders. I made it at the same time as that one. Then speaker. And over here I have my daddy clothes. They're my visual art diaries back when I did do school because I've graduated. I don't have to worry about it, but they're my visual diaries from over the years. They're the rest of my fish stuff. Then here's my fish food and some more stuff for the water. These are my dance trophies from over the years. And these are my trophies I got from school. This one was the Respect Reward. Our college had 3 values: respect, courage, and excellence. This award you had to be nominated, so I got that in 2017. And then this is my academic excellence award for aquatic practices back in 2018. I was in year 11 then. And that you got for being the top of the class, which I was surprised because I didn't move into that class until term 2. Then up here I just had my sunnies, that was from dance, bracelet of mine, hairbrushes, and then my skincare stuff. And then here I have a bunch of photos of my friends, my graduation. Can't really see it that well because of the glare. And then these are my dance photos from over the years, with being with Little Shimmies and Shani's Dance Squad. Then those clothes aren't normally there, but I gotta give them to Lifeline. So until I give them to Lifeline, they're there for now. And then over here is my closet. As you can see, you can't see all of it. I'll open the door up in a minute. This, I don't know how long I've had it. It's been in my room as far as I can remember, so I'm guessing I got it when I was little. Don't know for sure. And if there is shakiness, I'm sorry, I have the shakes normally. As you can see, slightly. It gets worse when I'm nervous. Here are some paintings I did. There's one at the back too. This one had to portray Aboriginal story using using the different symbols. And then there's some more photos of mine. These are from teen camp, me and my cousins. The rest of that was with the cabin, except for, I'm pretty sure that one was without our cabin leaders. This was engagement party I went to, 2015, the same one as the one over on the corkboard. So there's me and the family, and then me and my grandma. And over here, I just have all my pajamas down there. These are all my sleeve shirts, non-sleeve. Motorbike helmet, because I used to have a quad, my laptop case, so I had to use that every day for school. Here is my biggest makeup bag I have, and then they're all materials I was given when I first brought my sewing machine, except for broke, so my mum got rid of it. That's just one of my wide brim hats. I have my only one. There's my cap. Here's the rest of the hair pieces I've gotten from dance over the years. Two bandanas, then a headpiece. Not a headpiece, I can't remember what they're called. And then this, I don't know how I got it, but it came in handy when we had Hawaiian themes at school. And then my instant camera. This one's a Mini 8. My clutch from formal, and I have my rings in there. I wore to formal too. And then they're just my bags, handbag, and yeah. Then over here, they're my bike pants. They're singlets, undies, socks, sports bras without paddings. This side is my crop tops. They're just shorts. These are my long pants, long pants. Down the bottom is my long sleeve shirts. And then at the top here, this is my toiletry bag to go, so if I'm ever going to a friend's place or staying the night unplanned, I can just grab this and go because it has everything in there already. Then the back is all my spare skin care stuff. And I have a few combs on the side there. So yeah, and then I'll open this side up for you guys. And then these are all my clothes, but I need to hang up, otherwise they crease a lot on me. That's a lamp. I do have some other shoes in there, which I couldn't fit up there. Can't really see it. They're next to the lamp. They're black, so that's why you can't see it. There's some girly things and then some other winter stuff. I did store them under there back when it's summer, but now it's winter. I'll probably pull them out and start using them. Then here's my shoes. A lot of these I've been lucky enough to be given over the years. Only 2 of them. No. Them I brought, and them I brought. And then these were my formal shoes. So, technically my mum brought them. And I didn't go too high because I didn't want to sore feet. As it is, this material here was rubbing on me. So, yeah, that is my room tour. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see next. Thank you to the few subscribers I do have. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when I release a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!